Hi students, in our last video we have seen the definition and types of polynomials. In this video, today we are going to discuss about zeros of a polynomial. Zeros of a polynomial. See, what do you mean by zero of a polynomial? See, suppose we are given a polynomial p of x, and let us assume that p of k equal to 0. We are given a polynomial p of x and we are assuming that p of some k equal to 0. Then k is a 0 of a polynomial. Or we can say that if k is a 0 of a polynomial, then p of k will be 0. For example, let us consider an example. Find the zero of 2x plus 3. Find the zero of, let us assume that it is p of x. P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So how will you find out the zero of 2x plus 3? So how will you find out the zero of a polynomial? For that, just equate the given polynomial to 0 and then find the value of the variable. That's all. So in order to find out the zero of this polynomial, just equate this polynomial to 0. That is 2x plus 3 is the given polynomial that is equal to 0. In the next step, we will have to find out the value of the variable. What is the value of the variable? What is the variable here? X is the variable. That means you have to find out the value of x. For that, 2x is equal to, transposing this minus 3 to the right hand side becomes plus 3. Plus 3 becomes minus 3 and x is equal to minus 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. And what will be p of minus 3 by 2? P of minus 3 by 2 will be p of x is equal to 2 into 2x plus 3. So how will you find out p of minus 3 by 2? To obtain p of minus 3 by 2, put x equal to minus 3 by 2. So you will get 2 into x. What is x? It is minus 3 by 2 plus 3 we are writing it as it is. So cancelling 2, we have minus 3 plus 3, that is equal to 0. So if x equal to k is a 0 of the polynomial, then p of k equal to 0. If x equal to minus 3 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, then p of minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So that is why here we have seen that for the polynomial p of x, if p of k equal to 0, then k is a 0 of the polynomial. Now let us consider one more example. Let us consider the polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 1. And suppose we are required to find out the 0 of this polynomial. So here p of x is equal to x square minus 1. So how will you find out the 0 of this polynomial? Just equate this polynomial to 0. That is x square minus 1 to 0. X square minus 1 equal to 0. That means next you will have to find out the value of the variable x. That is x square is equal to the minus 1 when brought to the right hand side becomes plus 1. So what is x? X is equal to square root of 1. What is square root of 1? X equal to plus or minus 1. So here this polynomial has two zeros. One is x equal to plus 1 and the other is x equal to minus 1. And also here we can easily verify that p of 1. What is p of 1? P of 1 is equal to 1 square minus 1. That is 1 minus 1, 0. And what is p of minus 1? P of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole square minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So for this polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 1, two zeros are there which are x equal to plus 1 and x equal to minus 1. Now let us discuss about the number of zeros of a polynomial. See, generally we can say that a polynomial of degree n will have n zeros. See, you must note one thing, that these all n zeros need not be real numbers. Okay. So what is the main point? A polynomial of degree n will have n zeros. So a first degree polynomial will have only one zero. A second degree polynomial will have two zeros. A third degree polynomial will have three zeros. A fourth degree polynomial will have four zeros. Or generally speaking, an nth degree polynomial will have n zeros. How about the constant polynomial? A constant polynomial has no zero. Constant polynomial is a polynomial of degree 0, therefore it has 0 zeros, or constant polynomial will not have 0. See, now the one thing, let us go directly to some board examination questions. See, the one thing, you just take down the problems. Find k if x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of 3x square plus 2kx minus 3. The question is, find k if x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of 3x square plus 2kx minus 3. This is a CBSE Delhi 2015 question. CBSE Delhi 2015. So how will you solve this problem? This is a board examination question. See, you are required to find the value of k if x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial. We know that if x equal to minus 1 by 2, x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0. Therefore, p of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. Is it clear? We have seen that if x equal to k is a 0 of the polynomial, what will be p of k? It will be 0. It is given that x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial, therefore p of minus 1 by 2 equal to 0. What is p of x here? P of x is the given polynomial. P of x is equal to 3x square plus 2kx minus 3. So you will have to find out p of minus 1 by 2 and equate it to 0. So what is p of minus 1 by 2? How will you obtain p of minus 1 by 2? Simply substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2. So you will get 3 into x square. For x we have minus 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2k into what is x minus 1 by 2 minus 3. Now let us simplify. So this is equal to 3 into minus. When we take the square of a negative number, it becomes positive. So what is 1 by 2 square? 1 square by 2 square. 1 square is 1 by 2 square is 4. Negative, when taking the square, it becomes positive. Plus, see, this 2 and this 2 can be cancelled. What is k into minus 1? Minus k. Here we have minus 1. This plus sign is kept as it is. K into minus 1 is minus k minus 3. And what is p of minus 1 by 2? P of minus 1 by 2 must be equal to 0. If x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0, p of minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. That means this expression must be 0. That is 3 into 3 into 1 by 4 plus minus k minus 3 equal to 0. That is 3 by 4 plus minus becomes minus k minus 3 equal to 0. 3 by 4. It is 3 by 4. 3 into 1, 3 by 4 minus k minus 3 equal to 0. How do you find out k? Do one thing, just transpose this minus k to the right hand side. So you will get 3 by 4 minus 3. This minus k becomes plus k in the right hand side. What is 3 by 4 minus 3? How will you find? See, 4 is taken as the LCM. So here we have denominator 4. So 3 is written as it is. Minus 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4? 12. is equal to k. And what is k? What is 3 minus 12? Minus 9. So this is minus 9 by 4 is equal to k. That is k is equal to minus 9 by 4. So here, I think this question is quite clear to you. So here we are required to find out the value of k if x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of the polynomial. We are given that x equal to minus 1 by 2 is a 0 of this polynomial, therefore p of minus 1 by 2 must be 0. So how will you calculate p of minus 1 by 2? Just substitute x equal to minus 1 by 2. So 3 into minus 1 by 2 square plus 2k into minus 1 by 2 minus 3. That is 3 into when we are taking the square of a negative number, it becomes positive. So 1 square by 2 square. 1 square is 1 by 2 square 4 plus this 2 can be cancelled. So plus we are writing it as it is. K into minus 1 is minus k minus 3. So what is p of minus 1 by 2? P of minus 1 by 2 must be equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. So 3 into 1 by 4. 3 into 1, 3 by 4 plus minus becomes minus. See, different signs always becomes negative and same signs becomes positive. So here the signs are different. So we will have to put a negative sign. So minus k minus 3 equals 0. So here k is negative, so simply transpose this k to the right hand side. So 3 by 4 minus 3 is equal, when minus k is brought to the right hand side, it becomes plus k. So what is 3 by 4 minus 3? We have to solve this. So we are taking 4 as the LCM. 3 is written as it is. 3 minus 3 into 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Here in the denominator we don't have 4. So we will have to multiply this 3 by 4. So 3 minus 12 by 4 is equal to k. What is 3 minus 12? It is minus 9 by 4 is equal to k, or k is equal to minus 9 by 4. So this is a board examination question. Now let us consider one more question. See, the second question is, if 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, if 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, if 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, p of x is equal to ax square minus 3 into a minus 1x minus 3 into a minus 1x minus 3 into a minus 1 x minus 1, then a is dash, so this is a board examination, first term question in 2013, CBSE 2013. Now let us try to solve this. So how will you solve this? It is given that 1 is a 0 of this polynomial. If 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, then what does it mean? P of 1 is equal to 0. So if 1 is a 0 of this polynomial, how will you write P of 1 is equal to 0? How will you find out P of 1? P of x is equal to this. How will you find out P of 1? P of 1 is obtained by simply substituting x equal to 1. So how will you write? P of 1 is obtained by substituting x equal to 1. That is a into 1 square. A into 1 square minus 3 into a minus 1. That should be written as it is. 3 into a minus 1. 3 into a minus 1 into 1. For x, we should write 1. Minus 1 equal to 0. Minus 1 is written as it is. P of 1 is equal to 0 means a into 1 square minus 3 into a minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 is equal to 0. Now let us try to simplify this. What is 1 square? 1. 1 into a. See, minus 3 into a minus 1 into 1 is nothing but minus 3 into a minus 1. That is minus 3 into a minus 1. Minus 3 into a is minus 3a. Then minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. And then we have this minus 1 equal to 0. What is a minus 3a? It is minus 2a. Plus be A will be minus 2 by minus 2, that is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1. This is again a board examination question in the year 2013. See, I think it is clear to you. See, let us try to solve one more problem, board examination question. See, if 1 is a zero of 1 is a zero of ay square plus ay plus 3, ay square plus ay plus 3, ay square plus ay plus 3, and y square plus y plus b, and y square plus y plus b. Then AB equal to dash. This is a CBSE daily question in 2012. So how is all this? See, it is given that 1 is a zero of both these polynomials. Then you are required to find out AB. So what is all this? So it is given that 1 is a zero of this polynomial. So what will be? P of 1 equal to 0. See. One is a zero of ay square plus ay plus 3. Here 1 is a zero of this polynomial. Here the variable is y. This is a polynomial in y. So what will be P of 1? P of 1 equal to 0. So how you obtain P of 1? P of 1 is obtained by simply substituting y equal to 1. Y is the variable here. So a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. P of 1 is equal to 0. P of 1 is obtained by substituting y equal to 1. Y is the variable here. So a into 1 square plus a into 1 plus 3 equal to 0. What is 1 square? It is 1. 1 into a plus a into 1, a plus 3 equal to 0. What is a plus a? It is 2a plus 3 equal to 0. So transposing this plus 3 to the right hand side, you will get 2a equal to minus 3. Therefore, a equal to minus 3 by 2. And also we are given that 1 is the zero of 1 is the zero of this polynomial also, y square plus y plus b. Therefore, in this case also, p of 1 is equal to 0. So how will you obtain P of 1 for this polynomial? P of 1 is obtained by simply substituting the variable y equal to 1. That is 1 square plus 1 plus b equal to 0. Simply substitute y equal to 1. 1 square plus 1 plus b should be written as it is. B equal to 0. Second one is 1 square? 1. 1 plus 1? 2. 2 plus b equal to 0. What is b? B equal to minus 2. See here, you have to find out the value of AB. So how do you find out the value of AB? AB is nothing but A into B. That is minus 3 by 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus is positive. So you can cancel this 2. That is, here we have minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. That is AB is equal to 3. So in this video, we have seen zeros of a polynomial, and we have seen that a polynomial of degree n will have n zeros, and you should remember that these n zeros need not be real numbers. A polynomial of degree 1 will have only 1 zero, a polynomial of degree 2 will have 2 zeros, and so on. And how will you find out the zero of a polynomial? Just equate the given polynomial to 0 and then find out the value of the variable. And also we have seen that if k is a zero of the polynomial, then p of k should be 0. else not this point. This point is very important. If x equal to k is a 0 of the polynomial p of x, then p of k equal to 0. And we have completed some board examination questions also. So in our next class, we will discuss about graphs of polynomials. How will you draw the graph and what are the relationship between the roots and graphs of a polynomial, etc. And that we will see in our next video. See, as I said in the last video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, bye.